In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the screen colours so you can make your car look like an Ioniq 5 if you really want to. To do this, make sure you're on the media control pane of this controller here. Press setup, press theme and layout, and if you want the white theme, just there you go. Back to black. If you want automatic, the white theme is used in daylight conditions and the black theme in nighttime conditions, so you can have it change automatically. Or you can set a schedule time. That's all there is to it really. So if I have automatic, it'll be white until it goes dark. You can see some of the bits on there actually look, you can see easier. I think you can see the economy meter a bit easier, but each to their own. I think I still prefer the black theme. Thank you for watching.